Well, I got my pump in today. I got it from Northern Tools. I said the other day Harbor Freight, but I meant to say Northern Tools. Somebody questioned me about that. But I've already opened it. I've already opened the box in here, but there's the specs on it. There's the company. And I got to go to the plumbing to get some fittings for the back of it. So I need the Bosch fitting that goes in here and the Bosch fitting here. I got this one and that both sides, but I need the one going that one too. Well, I've already took this pump off. I started putting this one on here. And the problem I'm having already, of course I ain't got the pump all the way up yet. See the gap there. We'll bring this over. But that's already hitting that. Already. But this will probably go over some when I tighten it up. I can't get my wrench on the bolts either side, so I must put Allen bolts in there instead. I got to take it back off. If it's going to work, I got to put a another 1/8 fitting like this into here, so this discharge can run into the suction side. That way I can get rid of the discharge over here. I don't know what's wrong, but don't want to pick up. Don't want to do nothing by the controller. I'm just wondering if this line I got loop back to here into the suction, is it sucking area? But I took a pair of bar strips and I crimped that just for a minute, just to see if it would pick up, and it still didn't pick up. So I gotta get this thing out of the shop tonight. I don't know if my keyway come out of the pump. My pump might not be turning, I don't know. I might have didn't put the keyway in there. You know what? On the pump, so I gotta look see if I dropped the keyway. Let me get me a light and look. Well, I don't see the keyway down there anywhere, and I don't see it over there anywhere. So I don't see it on the ground nowhere. So either rotation's wrong or this line right here has got something to do with it. I don't know. I got it backwards. I had it the other way to start with. I'm like, no, the motor turns this way, but it don't. The motor turns this way. It turns counterclock. So if it's turning counterclock, the gears got to be rotating opposite, so they're moving out, not moving in. They're moving out. So I got to rotate this crap. Pump just a slight warm, not much. Dadgummit. Now I got to twist this thing down, got to take it out and rotate it, turn this thing 180, put it back in there, and that's going to throw everything off. Everything working out. This was missing that arm perfect. Now it ain't. A while ago it was hitting the head the other way. But oh well, I guess what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. That's just what it is then. So let me get to rotating it. You ever talk to a pipe? Well, this fitting here, I said, please don't break off. It was down. I had to turn it on around to get it stand up, because I got to put this pipe now on here to here. You know, this was on the top, now it's on the bottom. So I'm hoping this will correct the rotation. If it don't, I don't know if that thing gonna do it. Better find out. If I don't do it, I'm just screwed and blued and tattooed. I have to replumb all this crap. Put the suction over here and put the pressure over here, and by rotating it, what's the difference? That should work. That should work. I bet it's going to be the same thing. It could be the same freaking thing. Oh, crap. I bet you. Let me stop the camera a minute. You look at now when I turn the pump, when I turn the motor this way, you watch the pump. Now see, that's the right way. The gears are meeting together. So the other side, this other side over here, on this side, they're separating. So that's bringing the oil around the perimeter on the top and the bottom, bringing the oil around it to make pressure. So I got it right now. So by flipping it, I think I've done it. Hope that now if I can get this other line on this side, it'll be the next problem here. All right, see what's happening now since I rotate it? This side is working out beautiful. No problem. Now this side now is hitting that. I just wonder if I can mill the cone of that shaft up, that off a little bit there to miss it. Because it's got room at the top to go down. Don't like but just a little bit milling it off. I'm going to go see if I can't mill the corner off and see what'll happen. Worst thing that happened. The walls are thicker now. Let me check that out. We got it on there. Doesn't look too pretty, but I don't like that holes right there, but what can I do? One day I'll get a metal brake line I'll bend it to fit it and make it look more professional looking. I barely made this work. I mean, it's not working. I mean, I got where to pass it. That's about it. See it hitting there? So I might have to do some rework that, get that to work. Get my 3-point hitch to work. But I'm not worried about the 3-point hitch right now. If I get the lift to work, that's all I'm worried about. All right, just cross your fingers. See what's gonna happen. Let's crank it up. See what'll happen. All right, we got it running. Pretty fast for that, like it is now. I'm gonna tame it down some, the clamshell. I'll show you why it's so fast. One reason it's got a short pivot here, from here to here, very short pivot. That's a long distance from out there. From this point to that point's a long ways. Now from that point right there to that point is very short. Now look how small that cylinder is. All I got to stroke is just that far right there is all I got. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 2 cylinders, probably about 8 inches stroke, probably 3-inch cylinders or 2.5-inch strokes. One to go here, and I'll put one over other side over here, and that'll slow that down a lot and balance this thing out. Well, today's Wednesday, so Saturday I'll go play in the dirt with it and see what it does. And I'll video it. I go park this thing, put it up, and get ready to go home tonight. It's already getting about close to 8 o'clock. Catch you later.
Here we are, October 27th. Doing a demonstration with James's new Cub Cadet tractor with his front loader, and he had to put a separate pump on there to do that. He took all the water out of the tires, so he doesn't really have a lot of weight in the back, but he still knows how to get into it. He can certainly shoot them rooster tails out of them tires. Very nicely done.
Hey, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Hit that that notification button while you're at it there, so we can show you all the videos that come up. You won't miss none. We're gonna try to shorten these videos up some so it won't be so long. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.